Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Jay's Guide. This is your host Jay. Let's start.
In this video, we are going to learn about how to install WordPress on Hostinger and how to install WordPress theme and page builder Elementor. So in order to install WordPress on Hostinger, open Google on your computer and type as hostinger.in or .com. Click on login. Then with your email ID and password, log into your Hostinger account. Then click on hosting. Then guys, just towards your right hand side of your domain name, click on manage. Then you will get this page, and at the left top you can see your domain name there, so make sure your domain name is selected. Then scroll it down and click on auto installer. Then you can see that just after my domain name WordPress is already there, so that means WordPress is already installed because I have installed it earlier. Here I'm just showing you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. So to install it, you can see that WordPress is there, so click on select. Then type in your administrator username and password and administrator email ID, your website title. Then after that, select create new database and update only to minor version and click on install. And you can see the WordPress symbol right here. Then click on WordPress and edit website. So as soon as you click on edit website, it will take you to your website page and it will look like this. So this is your website. So we have installed WordPress on your Hostinger. Now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress theme and Elementor page builder. In order to install WordPress theme and Elementor page builder, you have to log into your WP admin account, WordPress admin account. So just log into your WordPress admin account with your credentials, user ID and password. Then go to appearance. Click on themes, then click on add new, then at the right top in the search bar type as generate and hit enter. So you can see WordPress theme is already activated on your account, so you will see an option like install like this. So you will get an install option. You have to click on install, then it will give an option to activate. As soon as you click on activate, your theme will be activated. Or else you can also install your WordPress theme by clicking on upload theme.
Then click on choose file and select the downloaded file from your desktop or laptop and click on open to install the file.
To add Elementor, go to plugin, click on add new, then in the search bar type as Elementor
Then this is the Elementor, and you will get an option called install now, so you'll have to click on install. Since I have already installed it, it is giving me an option to activate. So click on install now, then click on activate now. Now you can see that your Elementor is activated on your website. If you found the video was informative, then please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.